Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I've got a really crazy budget Bluetooth headphones to show you all. Now the reason I'm calling them crazy is these budget wireless headphones pack some really good features for the price point, which I'll tell you in this video. So these headphones are made by this company called Adcom and the model is Luminosa Bluetooth LED headphones. Yes, you heard me right, these headphones have RGB LED lighting on them and come at a very affordable price tag. So the headphones come in this sort of box packing and has some features mentioned over here. They've got dazzling LEDs, have a foldable design and offer stereo sound. Alright, let's see what else is written on the box packing. Looks like we've got the features of the product here. Let's check them out. They've got a compact foldable design, has built-in microphone, are quite lightweight and have leather padded cushions. Going on the other side, we've got the specs of the headphones. These headphones support Bluetooth V4.2, have built-in FM radio. Now that is freaking awesome. And the company says that they can offer a continuous music playtime of around 5 to 7 hours with a built-in 400 mAh battery, and the rated output is around 30 milliwatts. So those are all the specs of this product. There's nothing much written at the backside except some product info. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this packaging. There we go. Now let me take it out and show you the product. So the headphones come nicely packed like this on a tray and looks like we've also got some accessories in the package. Before I show you the headphones, let me first show you what do we get in the box. We've got a lot of paperwork over here which includes a user manual, make sure to read that, a thank you note for purchasing it and also a warranty card. Along with that, you also get a USB cable for charging the headphones and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. So these are all the items we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the headphones. So here they are guys, Adcom's Luminosa wireless Bluetooth headphones. They come in piano black color and have a beautiful glossy finish all over it. From my first impressions, I have to tell the headphones look pretty decent for the price point. So let me give you guys an overview on the headphones. You've got the Adcom branding on both the sides and they're RGB backlit illuminated. I've told you that they've got a foldable design, right? You can easily fold them like this, put them in your bag and carry them anywhere. The build quality is good, the body is entirely made of plastic and has a very glossy finish. But my only concern is it's going to attract a lot of fingerprints. Well, we'll have to see about that. Okay, let me tell you about the ear cups. These headphones have soft spongy ear pads made of artificial leather and the cushioning feels nice. Above that, you've got the left and right indications near the headband, and talking about the headband is also extendable like this, so it can fit almost any desired head size. Now let me show you all the buttons and ports available on it. There's a micro USB port over here for charging the headphones, a 3.5mm aux port, a micro SD card slot, a mode button to toggle the FM radio, volume down, media play pause, volume up, and finally a power on or slide switch. That's it guys, these were all the available buttons and ports. Now let me just power them on and show you how the lighting on it looks like. The Adcom logo on both the sides is RGB backlit illuminated and this is how the headphones look like. And oh, there's also a Bluetooth LED status indicator over here. Talking about the LED lighting, it's got fixed RGB color cycle effect which cycles through 7 different colors. There's no option to change it, you can only turn on or off the LED lighting. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Adcom Luminosa headphones are quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. They're sweat resistant and can be used during light workouts, and the noise isolation is also decent. The audio quality was very nice for the price. I totally didn't expect these budget headphones to sound that good. The mids were crisp and clear and I could clearly hear all the vocals. The treble quality was also nice. Talking about the bass, the low frequency response was good. These headphones were producing deep and punchy bass. But on my usage, what I felt was the mids were slightly boosted and were dominating the other frequencies. Well, that's not a big problem because on the overall they sounded good and were offering good audio quality for the price point. The TRHD was also less up to 85% volume level, but beyond that you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. And the best part about these headphones was it has built-in FM radio. Like how cool is that? I've never seen headphones with built-in FM radio. Okay, now let me tell you about the battery life. The Adcom Luminosa come with a 400 mAh battery and offer a decently good battery life. On an average, while listening at 70% volume level, I was getting around 5 to 6 hours of continuous music playtime, and charging them from 0 to 100 took around 2.5 hours. So that was my review on Adcom's Luminosa budget-friendly RGB wireless headphones. They're good headphones for the price. The build quality is nice, really like the RGB LED lighting, offer good audio quality as well as battery life. I didn't find anything much to complain for that price point. The only thing I would say is they were attracting a lot of fingerprints, so I need to keep cleaning the headphones once in a while, and also the ear cups were generating quite a bit of heat after some time of usage. That's it, rest everything else was fine. These headphones cost only around 1490 rupees, and I also have a special 10% discount coupon code only for my subscribers. I'll leave both the link as well as the coupon code in the description box below. You can check it out if you guys are interested in buying it. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.